Greetings, my name is Sheldon Williams and this is my value self-portrait. In this video I have been given the task to name some of my values and how they can apply to leading in groups. At the very forefront of my values, I hold family up to the highest standard. I have been through much with my family, and they serve as a support system for myself while I matriculate throughout college. I keep this value at the forefront of my mind by making sure I check up on them, and also by making sure that when I come into town that I see and interact with all of them. The sense of family is important in leading groups because it sets the mood and the environment for people to be comfortable. Because in a relaxed environment with a family feel, people are much less reluctant to share their ideas. My next value is perseverance. In a quote by Thomas Carlyle, he mentions, "Perseverance and persistence, in spite of all obstacles, discouragements, and impossibilities. It is this that in all things distinguishes the strong soul from the weak." I admire this quote because perseverance is a value I hold near and dear to my heart. Because where I'm from, people are praised for finishing high school, let alone be accepted into college. So I use this value to keep pushing and keep moving because although life may place hurdles and potholes in your path to greatness, nothing can truly hold you back if you have perseverance. And if you ever get down on yourself, you can always remember there are minor setbacks that prepare you for major comebacks. This is pivotal in group leadership because when your group enters the storming stage and conflict arises, it is up to you as a leader to handle that conflict, deal with it, and keep pushing forward. If you cannot deal with it, you may become stagnant in productivity, and that is never effective. The final value that I honor and use every day of my life is the value of communication. Communication is essential in group leadership because communication can make or break a project. I am a proud member of the Black Student Union here at the Florida State University, and with being in that, I have been able to see what good communication is and what bad communication is, and how that can ultimately affect the whole. When communication is bad internally, externally people can tell because the event or programming we put on will look unorganized or sloppy. When the event is clearly communicated and diffused throughout executive board, it is externally pleasing and executed to the T every time. Communication is also important in relationships. If you and your partner do not communicate, then sometimes words and actions can be misconstrued into being something else, and that is ultimately when conflict begins to arise. As a leader on this campus, I am mandated to uphold these values as I continue in my everyday life. What defines a leader is how he centers his life around his values, because ultimately, Roy Disney says, when your values are clear to you, making decisions becomes easier. Once again, my name is Sheldon Williams, and these are the values that I live by. Thank you.